All right, so what you need to know about the paleo diet, keto diet, whatever diet you're doing. Scott here from Most Performance. Take a moment before we start the video to like the video, leave a comment if you have any questions, and take a moment to subscribe because I'm going to post a lot of videos that are going to help you out with any kind of training, nutrition tips. And eventually, actually, I wanted to start doing some, I might start doing some exploring some hiking videos and stuff like that in the future as well. So that'd be really cool. But anyways, so what you need to know about these diets is they all involve a calorie deficit. So that's what it is. With any diet, you're in a calorie deficit. There is no one, you didn't gain weight because of carbs. You didn't gain weight because of fat. What happened was you overate a total amount of calories. You ate too many calories over an extended period of time, which led to weight gain. And this is why I always talk about any diet. In order for any diet to be successful, you need to be in a calorie deficit. So you need to burn more calories than you're taking in during the day. So the thing is, and this is one thing I'm a big stickler to getting people to track, because you can follow diets till the cows come home. And usually what happens is people end up yo-yo dieting. They follow this diet and that, they rebound. They feel guilty when they eat something bad, or they don't follow the strict routine of the diet itself. And don't get me wrong, some people are successful with these diets, so if you are, by all means. But just understand that if you're not having success with any of these diets, and for any diet of that matter, anyway, if you want to be more successful, it literally, when you use MyFitnessPal, I know for some people it might think it sucks, but it literally takes, once you get used to it, it's 2 minutes out of your day. Most people spend more time, like 3 hours plus on their cell phone or on the computer, on Instagram, watching TV per day. So just knowing what you're doing by keeping track with MyFitnessPal, which again gets really easy to use. It takes away the stress. Takes away the stress of what you're eating, because even if you do fall off the wagon, I shouldn't even say fall off the wagon, but say you do eat something that you enjoy, you don't feel that guilt, because if you're still in the calorie deficit, and you know this from tracking, you keep track of everything, it's going to release that stress and the guilt of that first and foremost. So you don't feel that stress anymore. You can have more of a flexible nutrition lifestyle where you're allowed to eat more of a variety of food and you're not restricted to certain food groups or anything crazy along those lines. And it puts your mind at ease, because you know you can still lose weight as long as you're trusting the process and you're just keeping track. And it's way easier to keep track than trying to constantly set these restrictions on yourself in terms of your diet and everything like that, because we all eat stuff we want to from time to time. It's part of life. That's part of the process, right? So you shouldn't feel guilty about certain food groups that you eat or treats or things along those lines. So anyways, I hope this video helped. I hope you're kind of getting an idea this is one thing I help a lot of my clients with. I help them get used to keeping track, and I make it really easy for them, because the more you get in the routine of tracking, the more it becomes a habit and the less stress you're going to have over dieting and losing weight. And you can help lose the weight and then maintain and keep it off as well. Anyways, just quickly, I'm having a challenge starting December 2nd. So if you're between 25 and 45, you're looking to lose about 2 to 5 pounds within 7 days, and you're tired of stalling, you want to make that progress, you want to stop that yo-yo dieting cycle, leave me a comment, shoot me a message, follow the link in the description below for the 7-day challenge, and I hope to see you there. I hope this video helped. If you do have any questions, let me know. I'll talk to you soon.